Here I have MOTOROLA Moto G24, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. Firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings, like you can change viewfinder size, you can change resolution, you can change frame rate, you can select record time limit, file size limit, and you can also record touch points. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, then tap start, and after a countdown, recording begins. So now it's on. In this menu you can make some notes, like you can draw with this pencil and make some marks on some notes, whatever. You can switch sound settings. You can enable this front camera view if you unblock camera. So as you can see my hand there. You can pause the recording, then you can play it again. And when you're done with recording, like completely, just tap on the red button, and after that it will be saved to the gallery, to the photos, to this special screen record section. And here is our recording. From here you can like share, edit, delete this recording, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.